How to use or how to redeem Amex or American Express gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem an American Express gift card online. Now, all you have to do is you'll have to find a merchant that accepts American Express as a payment method. Now, those merchants are Amazon, IKEA, Sears, Target, Walmart, Lowe's, Apple, Best Buy, Staples, CVS. On any retailers that accepts American Express as its payment method, you can go ahead and there what you can do is you can enter in your card information under the credit card information. You want to head into the payment method option. There it'll ask you to add a payment method, right? Now what you want to do is you want to select the debit or credit card option, and there you want to enter in your American Express gift card address, your information and your billing address, name and address, and then click pay and enjoy your purchase using your American Express. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.